Ever met someone who's all talk and no action? You know, the type full of grand plans but never delivers. It's frustrating, right? You start doubting their sincerity and losing respect. As Ralph Waldo Emerson wisely said, "What you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say." In a world where intentions are cheap, it's our actions that truly define us. Let's dive into why following through matters more than just making promises. Number 1, words fall, actions prevail. Let's get straight to the point. Actions carry more weight than words. Anyone can make. Their assurances mean little when they consistently fail to deliver, turning promises into empty rhetoric. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." This highlights that reliability is demonstrated through actions, which reflect your character. I had a friend who often talked about starting a business but never took any real steps. Eventually, people stopped believing him as the gap between his words and actions became obvious. This principle applies beyond friendships. Whether you're trying to improve grades, get fit, or help a family member, your actions must align with your commitments. Actions outweigh words. People judge your reliability based on what you do. Talking about change is easy, and acting it is the real challenge. Ralph Waldo Emerson noted, "What you do speaks so loudly that I cannot hear what you say." Successful people didn't achieve their goals merely by discussing their aspirations. They took decisive action. Actions shape how others perceive you. If you want to be seen as reliable, you must act. Strive to be someone who not only talks about change but also makes it happen, building credibility and earning respect. Number 2, the perils of grand promises. Now let's discuss the risks of making lofty promises. Many boast about grand plans and future successes, but when it's time to deliver, they often fall short. This can damage trust and respect. Imagine someone who constantly brags about launching a new venture but fails to follow through. Their dreams remain unfulfilled, leaving a trail of broken promises. When you talk big but don't act, you erode trust. Benjamin Franklin wisely noted, "Well done is better than well said." It's not enough to make bold statements, you must back them up with genuine actions. Repeated failures to deliver can harm your relationships and self-esteem. Consider a public figure who boasts on social media but never makes real progress. Eventually, people tune them out. Reflect on your own experiences. Have you ever discussed ambitious goals without taking action? This realization can serve as a wake-up call. If you want to build trust and respect, you need to follow through. Create a plan, set specific goals, and take consistent steps to achieve them. The bottom line? Talking without acting undermines your credibility. Actions validate your words, showing that you're not just a talker but someone who takes meaningful steps toward their goals. Before making a bold promise, ask yourself, am I ready to back this up with action? If unsure, it may be better to remain silent and let your actions speak for themselves. Ultimately, the danger of grand promises is their ability to erode trust and respect. Focus on delivering results, and remember Confucius's wisdom: the superior man acts before he speaks, and afterward speaks according to his actions. Align your actions with your words, and you'll earn the respect and trust you seek. Be the person who does what they say they will do. Number 3, be the one who delivers. Let's focus on what sets you apart: being someone who follows through on promise. True character is about taking action to embody your values. Every commitment counts, whether it's small tasks like household chores or significant work projects. For instance, if you promise to tackle weekend chores, completing them without reminders proves your dependability. You don't need to be famous to build a solid reputation. You think about your own life. When you follow through on commitments, you feel a sense of pride that reinforces your reliability. Conversely, failing to deliver can damage your credibility and strain relationships. The good news? It's never too late to be the one who delivers. Start small, treat every commitment seriously, set reminders, and hold yourself accountable. Each time you keep a promise, you build trust with others and yourself. Being someone who delivers is invaluable. As Carl Jung said, you are what you do, not what you say you'll do. Let your actions define you, inspiring others to do the same. Number 4, small steps, big wins. Ever wondered why some people thrive while others struggle? The answer is simple. It's about small, consistent actions taken every day. You don't need to make huge leaps, just focus on small steps that accumulate over time. Take James Clear, author of Atomic Habits. He started by writing 1 article a week, and that small habit led to a bestseller. Think about your life. What small changes can you start today? It could be reading 10 pages daily or saving a few dollars each week. Small actions can yield significant results. For example, saving $5 a day totals $1,825 a year. The same principle applies to fitness. Doing 10 push-ups daily equals 3,650 push-ups a year. Robert Collier summed it up: success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Consistency is key. Each small action is like planting a seed over time. Look at successful figures like Warren Buffett, who built wealth through consistent, smart investments, or Michael Phelps, who trained daily to become a champion. So, what small actions can you take today? Set aside time daily to focus on a skill. When you reflect on one area of your life where you can start making small changes. Remember, it's not about drastic overnight changes, it's about small steps each day. Success is for anyone willing to put in the work. Break it down into manageable steps. Ask yourself, what's the smallest action I can take today? Then do it. Repeat it daily, and you'll be amazed at your progress. To make it practical, if you want to get fit, start with 5 minutes of stretching. If you want to save money, track your expenses for small cuts. Keep your sentences punchy and engaging. Instead of saying over time, these actions will lead to big results, say, small actions, big results. It's catchy and memorable. Now think of one small action you can take right now. What's one thing you can start today that will make a difference in a year? Commit to it. Remember, small steps lead to big wins. Started. Number 5, earning respect through action. Your respect is earned through consistent actions, not mere words. Think of Michael Jordan, revered not just for his talent, but for his relentless work ethic. He didn't just dream of greatness, he put in the effort to achieve it, earning respect through his dedication. He considers someone you admire. Did they gain your respect through grand promises, or did they consistently deliver when it mattered? Each time you keep your word, whether helping a friend or meeting deadlines, you build your reputation. Action speaks louder than words. People admire those who pursue their dreams actively. Figures like Elon Musk earn respect by relentlessly working toward their goals, despite setbacks. In your daily life, remember that small, reliable actions define how others see you. Respect also enhances. Share a time you earned respect through your actions. Challenge yourself to take one action today to gain more respect. In a world of talkers, be a doer. Number 6, the cost of inaction. Inaction can lead to lost trust and missed opportunities. Muhammad Ali, who refused the Vietnam War draft, faced Consider a Vince Lombardi said it best: the measure of who we are is what we do with what we have. Icons like Ali and Cristiano Ronaldo achieved greatness through consistent action. Inaction carries emotional weight. Breaking promises affects both you and others, damaging trust. The Theranos case illustrates how failure to deliver can lead to monumental consequences. Identify one pending promise you can address today. Small actions can restore relationships. Have you faced the repercussions of inaction? Share your experience, and let's inspire each other to be doers. It's the doers who truly shape the world. Number 7, from promises to progress. We all make promises about getting fit, launching new projects, or pursuing personal goals, yet many of these intentions fade away before we see any real progress. A prime example is Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. Despite facing numerous rejections early in his career, he turned his vision to effectively turn promises into action. Start by focusing on one meaningful commitment. This helps to avoid feeling overwhelmed and allows for a deeper focus on what truly matters to you. Next, clearly define what success looks like for that promise. Having a specific and measurable goal provides direction and motivation. Create a game plan by breaking this goal into manageable tasks. This not only makes the process less daunting, but also enables you to track your progress more effectively. Staying accountable is crucial in this journey. Regularly tracking your progress allows you to see how far you've come and helps identify areas where adjustments may be needed. This might involve setting milestones or checking in with a mentor or accountability partner to keep you motivated. Visualizing the joy of achieving your goals can also serve as a powerful motivator, providing a mental picture of the success you're striving for. Today, commit to taking that first step toward one specific promise. As Epicurus wisely stated, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. This philosophy emphasizes the importance of aligning your actions with your aspirations. You not only move closer to your goals, but also build a sense of self-discipline and accomplishment that reinforces your commitment to progress. Number 8, role models of action. In a world filled with talkers, it's the doers who truly make an impact. Action is what separates achievers from mere dreamers. Ralph Waldo Emerson famously stated, "An ounce of action is worth a ton of theory," highlighting the crucial role that execution plays in affecting real change. This principle is vividly illustrated by role models who have transformed their fields through consistent and purposeful efforts. Consider Michael Jordan, whose relentless practice and dedication not only honed his skills, but also set him apart as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. His commitment to improvement and his willingness to push beyond limits serve as a powerful reminder of how hard work leads to success. Elon Musk represents a modern innovator whose bold and ambitious actions have revolutionized multiple industries, from electric vehicles to space travel. His approach exemplifies the idea that taking risks and challenging the status quo can lead to groundbreaking advancements. Then there's Thomas Edison, whose countless experiments and tireless work ethic resulted in inventions that shaped the modern world, including the electric light bulb. Edison's journey emphasizes the importance of perseverance. He famously viewed failure as a stepping stone to success, illustrating that consistent effort often yields remarkable results. Nelson Mandela's unwavering dedication to justice and equality was instrumental in dismantling apartheid in South Africa. His actions, rooted in courage and resilience, serve as a profound example of how steadfast commitment can bring about societal change, inspiring countless others to stand up for their beliefs. Marie Curie, a pioneering scientist, revolutionized our understanding of radioactivity through her groundbreaking research. Her dedication to scientific inquiry not only advanced knowledge but also opened doors for future generations of female scientists, showcasing how one person's actions can create. As you reflect on these inspirational figures, think about someone in your own life who embodies the spirit of action. What qualities do they exhibit that resonate with you? Consider what small step you can take today that might set you on a path toward achieving your own goals. Whether it's starting a new project, committing to a daily practice, or simply taking time to learn something new, remember that every small action can lead to significant change. By embracing the mindset of a doer, you can begin to carve out your own impact in the world. Number 9, everyday actions matter. We often admire those who consistently follow through on their commitments, as their reliability fosters trust and respect. Carl June wisely noted, "You are what you do, not what you say you'll do," emphasizing the importance of aligning actions with intentions. To build personal reliability, start by completing small commitments at home, such as managing daily chores or following through on promises to family and friends. Focus on manageable tasks that reinforce your reliability. In a professional context, meeting deadlines and consistently delivering quality work is crucial for establishing trust among colleagues and supervisors. Regularly reflecting on whether your actions match your words is essential. Inconsistency can erode relationships. By committing to take one small action each day and tracking your progress, you not only cultivate a reputation for dependability, but also foster a deeper sense of self-respect and integrity. Over time, these consistent efforts will lead to meaningful personal and professional growth. Number 10, action as the true measure of character. Action defines character, and ultimately we are judged by our actions rather than our intentions. As Seneca wisely remarked, what we keep defines our character. The consequences of an action can be profound. Failing to act erodes trust and credibility, which are essential for any meaningful relay, emphasizing the importance of taking control of our responses through action. Small actions can lead to significant impacts, as consistent efforts accumulate over time to produce meaningful achievements. Aristotle famously stated, "Excellence is not an act but a habit," reminding us that our daily routines shape our future successes. Thank you for watching.